Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for wheat for Tuesday, May 14th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside today. Today's candle we had a lower high but a higher low, and in bar chart terms that's an inside day and doesn't change the previous trend. Prior to that we had a downtrend in place where the market made a lower high and a lower low. Today is trading an indecisive spinning top type candle. We have this market trading within a range congestion area. So no terribly significant trading for this market at the moment, but this market now has been trading within some sort of a decent large range for quite some time, and the further that this market moves within this range, the more likelihood that when we do have the breakout above or below, it is going to be quite a decent move. So let's be ready for that. For today's trading, a lot of indecision in the market, a small body candle with a shadow on the top and a shadow on the bottom reflecting that indecision, so a strong battle between the buyers and the sellers. And little wonder, with the very strong overhead resistance and a very solid support just under where the market's trading, it's little wonder that we've got a lot of indecision in this market. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, not a lot that we can get from this, but now that the market's in a first time frame downtrend, we're examining the relationship of that downtrend to the previous time the market's trending down. And here previously we saw the market testing to or just below the 61.8% level and being rejected from there. So there is a possibility of a change of trend, but we're not seeing any strength from the buyers or the sellers at the moment in this market. So let's look for a potential higher high and higher low, but we do have very strong resistance from the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen just above where the market's trading. Now if this market does break out to the downside down below the cloud, then we do have some areas of potential support below there at the 78.6% level, which is at 697, and then down to the 100% level at 689, but no clue that that will happen at the moment. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, it's not really giving us much of a hint as well. Previously we saw the market testing through the 78.6% level, but the important 100% level is sitting just below the bottom of the cloud, so that's obviously restricting the market's likelihood of trading down to or testing below the 100% level. With this indecisive trading at the moment, there is a possibility of a change of trend to the upside, so let's look for a potential higher high and higher low. But in terms of Ichimoku, obviously a neutral market in big picture terms, with this market trading within the cloud, and we have been trading within the cloud for the past couple of weeks, except for one day where we saw a potential breakout, but the market held up at a strong support level. So a neutral market in terms of that. Looking at the cloud, the bottom of the cloud here is at the round number 700 solid support. And if we look at the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days prior to today, the market found support at the 700 level, which coincides with that the bottom of the cloud. Very, very solid support at that level. The market will need to find some very solid bearishness to break out down below and maintain a close down below that 700 level. If it does, however, we could see the market move quickly and potentially test to the 683 level, so be on the lookout for that, but no hint that that will happen. In terms of the other indicators, we are just trading down below the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. So below the Tenkan-sen definitely, so we have a bearish market in the fast term time frame and trading just at the or just below the Kijun-sen, so technically a neutral market in the medium term time frame. So considering that we're getting neutral readings with the Ichimoku based on the long term and the medium term time frames, really not a market that we want to be trading at the moment. Let's look for some clear positive indications of trend in those higher time frames, and as I've mentioned, when it comes, it may be a very fast and decent move. So what we're looking for is a potential solid bearish close down below the 700 level, or a solid bullish close up above the area around the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen at 716. Then we have some decent resistance around 722, but the top of the cloud is at 725, and if we do see solid bullishness up above there, we could see the market quickly testing up to 740